Let's talk about the forecast and when goes on. Hey, we've already seen our high temperature today. We're at 51 right now. We're going to hover near 50 the rest of the morning hours into the afternoon hours. At times, we will dip just below that. One of the bigger stories today is going to be just how strong these winds are as they're pulling in this cold air. Winds 10 miles an hour, but we've seen gusts up to 20 miles an hour over the last hour. Winds have come down in the last hour from what we were seeing previous, but we still have some fairly strong gusts, like the Johnstown area, 37 miles an hour. Somerset near 30. Oakland up there at 25 miles an hour. Yeah, it's going to be in those higher elevations that we're seeing the highest of those wind speeds, and we're going to continue to do that through the morning hours. All the way through noon, you could see those winds gusting upwards near 40 miles an hour. This is close, but just shy of wind advisory criteria, but it is still some fairly strong wind speeds and gusts that we're going to be seeing this morning. Just be kind of giving you a heads up there. Also, the best rain chance. I'll get to radar coming up. This is such a busy day. It's going to also happen this morning. We're still waiting on the rain right now. Sunny but cool, breezy this afternoon, and then a wintry mix. Yeah, wintry mix is going to be possible as we're heading into both Tuesday and Wednesday, mainly in the morning hours there. Here's those temperatures now. Most communities, again, hovering near 50 degrees, and that's where we're going to be through around 4 or 5 o'clock. Then we'll start to see those temperatures dropping. I do have our low temperature today right before midnight at around 43 degrees. Here's the rain that we're looking at. If you're up in northern parts of Mercer and Venango County, yeah, you have a couple of spot showers that are happening at this point. Everyone else is dry. This rain is going to continue to slide down to the south and will have an impact on places like Butler County, Beaver County, up into Lawrence County. By about 8 o'clock this morning. Could be as early as 7 o'clock this morning that you start to see some of that sliding in. In Pittsburgh, you're going to have to wait until pretty much the morning commute starting to wrap up right there at around 9 o'clock. It will quickly move out. By 11 o'clock, the rain's out of here, and the rest of the day, even though we still have a small chance for rain, there's going to be a lot of folks, you're going to be completely dry. Rain chances sticking around both on Tuesday and Wednesday. Our rain totals today, hey, we're looking at 1/10 of an inch or less, but we will be looking at maybe 1/10 of an inch to 1/5 of an inch of rain being possible both on Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, again, it's not going to be widespread, but there will be some reports coming in of maybe some snow or some sleet or some graupel, something coming in tomorrow because of just how cool those temperatures are. We will have another shot, even though this isn't going to show a lot of it on Wednesday, we'll have another shot to see some wintry mix at least also on Wednesday. There's your 7-day. We do warm up. We're back to the 60s for highs for this weekend.